Hi everybody, this is Alex Pankova at the Corcoran Group, and today I have a very special property to show you, the Ivy Lodge. It is the epitome of a Hamptons traditional home, originally built in 1840 and renovated to perfection with beautiful designer details. There is a beautiful house, a full-size guest house with its own kitchen, washer dryer, media room and a gym, pool with a spa and a pool cover, a beautiful natural pond, spacious primary suite with a sitting room, 2 fireplaces and expansive decking overlooking the pool. The property spans over 2.5 acres and features lush landscaping, privacy, and is just outside Southampton Village. Let's start this together.